All right, everybody, welcome to take 3. Let's try this again. So we haven't been on YouTube all that much in the past few weeks. I've given some explanations as to what's been going on here. Still, that the medical stuff is going to be ongoing for quite some time, and I'll keep you updated when I feel like talking about it. What I want to talk about today, we've been doing a lot of 2D and 3D models for clients, orthomosaics, job construction progression, all those types of things. You see them here on channel, you see them over at our class site, classes.azdrone.net, and you can go check that out anytime. But so we're very repetitive here, and people will say to you, yeah, no, the classes are very similar, tutorials are very similar, and that's because once you get into the swing of things, at least in construction progression work, it gets a little boring. Just to be honest, it gets a little boring. What I have on screen here right now is Litchi. It's one of the updated versions of Litchi, and I have been enjoying working with that, trying new things out for our client sites. But mostly, I'm just gonna hit the play button here. And so what we've got in front of us is for making, a construction progression area or something similar. So right now we've got the drone flying along this path. Looking over to the left, the duration of this path should be 19 minutes and 38 seconds. So a lot of the time when Jody are out, we are paying attention to all potential safety issues, aircraft in the area, high winds, other hazards. But bottom line, it gets kind of boring because this is what you're doing in the field. So you are out there, and right now it's got the drone 90 degrees, so we're shooting straight down here to pick up all of the images. And by the way, this one's saying if I were to execute this, that it'd be 573 images. I do have another layout that has fewer, but still creates a really good model for us. But so yeah, normally if I actually put up some of the additional videos that we've been doing on the sites, it's us kind of hanging out, looking up, watching a drone go back and forth. And on the controller, you get to hear the shutter sound from the camera. So that's kind of exciting as well. So not complaining about doing the work, okay? We do enjoy what we do, but there comes a time when it's just back and forth and back and forth. And then of course, when we've collected all this data, the next step is to jump into my See My Build for presentations for our clients. And here, I'll pause this for a moment and let's go to See My Build. There we go. And let's just go take a look at one of the latest archives. There we go, May 31st. And pull that one up. So after we do this boring back and forth flight, and also any other of our video flights that we'll use Litchi or something else for, we come back to the office, we work with the data and the information we gathered, we pull together the videos, we pull together the before and after ortho mosaic and the 3D site model, so there's some behind the scenes stuff going, but it all starts with that time in the field and our time with the Litchi hub right there. So we'll just let that play again and let that go even faster so you can see it moving right along. And there's multiple ways to actually view this at this point. So one of the really nice things, Litchi has come a long way in how we visualize the flights now. Of course, I also do use the controller for the Mavic 3 Enterprise, but we're looking at starting to play more with Litchi again. It's a little more than just, the boring back and forth. We can do a lot more. But if I were to hit the 2D model, the 2D flight path, so there it goes. You can see where the drone is going to. So we've got that back and forth, of course. And that's the boring part. So I'm going to stop this momentarily because I want to do another video today about getting your information in front of people on the internet. So there are a bunch of ways to do it. One of the big ones is doing your own web pages. And in the next video that's going to occur in the next day or two, I'm going to talk you through pros and cons of having your own drone business website. So stay tuned. We're back, and we're still a little bored, but we'll try to crack that. Thanks, everybody.